Hey guys, let's cook. I have my ugu here. I'm gonna make porridge plantain. So I have ugu. I also have scent leaf. Ta-da! This is my scent leaf, guys. To get these things, these fresh vegetables here, you can call me a landowner because of this. But anyways, let's cook.
See you on the other side.
From my day, stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling.
I have my dry fish here. I'm about to go on and clean it up and then continue cooking.
Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river gently finds its way, settles all the questions.
Hey, you know you're never going. Samoan.
Yeah, brother.
Meth dealer. Red.
Above are twinkling in
No. Well, that's not good. What's going on?
as they drift on by, healing every worry,
Basically,
every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ, crystal clear. Guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river.
Guys, I had to change my pots first. Obviously, I made a lot of plantain, and that pot seemed to be small. So I transferred it to this one, which also seemed to be small, but we will make do. We will make do with this one. Let's leave it to cook. I just added some onions, and I'm gonna add some fresh pepper to it. I'll also add some crayfish. This is enough. So there is water down there, but you know plantain, you don't have to put so much water till it starts boiling before you cook with Jordan. So I'll just leave this to cook. I'm gonna add some seasoning cubes in. Some seasoning cubes. A little more salt. So let's cover this up to cook now. Let the water come up. Let's see, because there is water here, but we have to be careful. Let's give it a stir. See, the water is gradually coming up. Don't be like me, oh. This pot is obviously small for this. I'm gonna be adding some more water. Now that I already know the water level, adding a little water. Adding water now. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above, healing power from above, healing power. I'll add a little more water. Let's add some oil. Okay. Huge. Alright. Let's see what we are cooking. I repeat, you guys, don't be like me. Don't be like me. Using a small pot to cook big food. But this is what we have. Should I add more oil? I think I should add a little more oil. I should just leave it like this. That will be like this. Speaking words of comfort as they drift on by. I'm gonna be adding my vegetables now. Every worry, every doubt and fear in the stillness. Christ, adding my CYNTHIA and my Lovelies. Adding this in bedroom so I don't make a mess, because bring out another pot now and start transferring them. The stress, no DNA for that now. But make do. We're gonna make do with this one. I feel like it needs a little bit more of water. And I'll be adding a little more, but let me first of all add my veggies. Adding this in detail so that I don't go and waste my vegetable. Because this vegetable money now, land they use to buy. See? I'm going right back, my friend. Now, land that they use to buy the value of this vegetable. I'm putting the last batch. This is the last batch. It smells so nice in here. The scent leaf is given. The scent leaf is given. It's given. So this is a mix of ripe and unripe plantain. That is why you're seeing some look soft, while some look a bit hard. The food is almost ready. I'm gonna leave this to just cook for a few more minutes and we are good to go. Just like a minute or two. Plantain porridge is ready. It's better or risi. With the inside. Should I put more water? Or should I leave it? I think I should just leave it. If I put more water now, it will be like River Congo. Guys, our food is ready. This is what we have. This is what it looks like. How do you guys see it? How does it make sense, Abby? Let's have a taste. Oh, cool. Yummy.
He still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us till all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. You deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above.